Hi, I'm Johnny with OnlineLabels, and today I'm excited to announce our launch of our brand new custom metallic foil labels. Metallic foil labels are a silver film that are a great way of adding some pop to your product labels. These are a great option if you're looking to upgrade your current packaging without updating your artwork. Metallic foil labels are great additions to products like wine and spirits, as well as pharmaceuticals or any other type of product that just needs a luxurious pop. When paired with the right design, metallic foil labels add a reflective texture to your products. Even though these labels have a silver foil finish, that doesn't mean the silver necessarily shines through in the artwork. Because we can apply a white underlay underneath your artwork, you can still get that reflective finish and enjoy the full spectrum of colors of your product labels. You can even designate which parts of your artwork you'd like the white underlay underneath if you'd still want some of that silver to shine through. Because these metallic foil labels are printed on film label materials, they stand up great to moisture and frequent handling. We can also apply lamination over all of our roll label materials, ensuring the artwork is locked in for long-lasting application. This is especially important if your products are going to come into contact with moisture, shipping, or anywhere else where they may need a little extra durability. We definitely recommend designing your artwork with these silver foil labels in mind. This will help you maximize the desired effect of the metallic foil when your artwork is printed. If you don't already have your artwork ready, visit OnlineLabels.com and search for custom labels. From here, you can customize your order by choosing your desired shape, size, and finish. For white ink printing, we require vectorized artwork files to let our team know exactly where you'd like your white ink printed. After submitting your order, our art team will review your artwork and make sure everything is good to go. Once they arrive, all you have to do is peel and apply. You can check out the link in the description to learn more about our custom metallic labels. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel to learn about more product announcements and more labeling tips.